Hello guys, good evening. From wherever you're watching me, this video, this is SSK Beat, probably mostly known as Public Zero. And you can follow my blog, publiczero.com, and read some things about some of the things I write, and I give the AI ideas and AI constructs these articles for me. So now, I'm just coming back now to give you a little bit of tutorial how to repair your phone yourself. If you know you have that ability manually to repair little things, then you can go for them and do them. But this, as a smartphone, a huawei P Smart that I got this year, 2019. So this phone is having a problem that my son, you guys can see the way my son just destroyed the screen of the phone. Okay, this is the screen of the phone now. Okay, now this phone, I just want to change the screen. So I ordered from the screen from. Okay, this is what I ordered. Okay, and this parcel arrived today. So actually myself, I'm a little bit good on how to repair this little gadget and to get into things and discover things that are inside. Okay, this is what it is sent to me. This is it. This is the screen of the phone. Okay, that I ordered, and that is it. So I got this one from a Chinese site, I think, and I hope it will work very fine. But I know I've been ordering things from them and they've been working so fine. If you want, we give you the description on my link on my profile, and you see the link under this video, and you can click on it and order for any of the instruments that you need in repairing your smartphone, if you can do them. If you can do it yourself and you don't want to take it to professionals. Okay, so now I will start. This is Public Zero. Like, follow and share this video. probably zero. Like, follow, and share this video.